Do you freeze when you meet someone new in English? Do you want to speak naturally, but your mind goes blank? Well, that used to be me until I learned these 10 powerful phrases. In today's video, I'll share the exact expressions native speakers use to start conversations, and we'll practice them together using the shadowing method. Just repeat after me, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to talk to anyone, anywhere, in English. Ready? Let's go. Hey, how's it going? Repeat after me. Use this with friends or coworkers. Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. So, what brings you here? A great way to start small talk at a party, event, or even online. I don't think we've met before, have we? This is polite and opens the door for conversations. Long time no see. How've you been? Sounds natural and friendly like a native. I've been meaning to introduce myself. Confident and respectful, great at school or work. Is this your first time here? Ask this in new situations. It shows you're open to talk. What do you think of the event so far? Gives the other person something easy to respond to. I love your accent. Where are you from? It's great to finally meet you in person. Perfect for someone you've met online before. These 10 phrases are just the beginning. Now imagine this. What if you practiced like this every week? Shadowing isn't about memorizing. It's about sounding real, sounding smooth, sounding you. So don't stop here. Check out the next shadowing video in this series. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe so we can practice together every week. See you in the next video.